this. 170,000 miles. We're gonna keep tearing this pig apart. Less talk, more work, right? Alright, so I figured it's about time to talk. You gotta talk in one of them. The first bit of footage that you watched was from last night, which is the night I did the editing, and after I was done editing I was kind of bored, so I said screw it. It's not that hot right now, so we can get away with doing some work. So I came out here and I kind of started working on digging off all the evap lines, some of the oil lines, or whatever they were. I can't remember. All this crap. It was all coolant and evap. That's what I took off. So we took all that off. Got the block somewhat ready on the back side of the motor. On the front side of the motor, what you just saw. After my cool little montage, or my car, whatever. What you just watched me do was pull off the coolant lines for the oil cooler and the oil line. Actually, those are all, yeah, that's all coolant. So ripped the coolant lines off, and I was getting ready to set top dead center, and I heard a ding. And at first I thought it was maybe something internal. It's not. It's easier than that. So, because I still have the flywheel on, they have these locating pins, which are for aligning the clutch to the flywheel. Well, I'm having some problems clearing that bolt. So So I was about to say that's all we got for tonight. You know, see you later. I'll get penetrating lube or whatever for those bolts, but my brain works in different ways. And I think if I pull that bolt in this way, it'll allow me to clear it as it comes up and over. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, that was maybe a little on the sketchy side, but this is the way it actually sits in the car. It leans back a little bit. So it wasn't exactly the worst thing ever, but luckily it didn't fall on the ground and take off a foot or harm my pretty concrete. Let's get back to work. I think I'm gonna go for the pan first instead of all of this magical stuff. Alright, so it's probably where I'm going to end tonight. It's already a late night, but I just want to show you what I'm seeing. So this is the pan, and obviously there's still a lot of oil in it. I thought I drained it, but yeah, that didn't happen. We could see all the way through to the head up there, you know, through some of these channels here. I'm not sure, those are probably just oil passages, but yeah, we're not going to get this windage tray off tonight. I got a rock on my shoe, but I'll leave you with some juiciness. There you go. We got copper flake. We got, look at that chunk. Place your bets on what that is. It's flat. It's brittle. It's silver colored. I'm betting you that's bearing. I'm betting you all this is bearing. It's all in here. There's all kinds of metallic material. I don't know if you can see it very well, but here, turn on the light. It looks like look, there's another piece right there. That guy. Yeah, this thing's definitely hurt. There's more chunks. There's more. Look at that. It looks like metallic paint. That's look. Like a graphite material. You know, it's just pieces in here. This is horror movies for K20, and it's all in the bottom, just small parts. It is. I mean, it's chunks. It's not just minor material. It's you know, it's not just minor whatever. The silver you're seeing in there is That's engine. Look, there's more of it here. Tons of it right there. Look. So, I mean, serious problems. You can see it here. Look at that. That's all particles. Something that went bing. And as I was cranking, I did feel something kind of scraping in there. Look, there's something right here. Even. This is a good one. I found a piece like this not long ago, but I thought it was a rock. I'm starting to think otherwise. I mean, look right here. Oh, this is gore. This is gory. Really gory. I want to get to the windage tray. Alright, so my battery's going to die very quickly here. That's what happens when your camera's this old, but I'm just filling in caps here. And if you start here, you know, there's not a lot of movement on this guy. There's a little bit of side to side. Let me turn this on. A little bit of side to side movement here. Not a ton. I'm going to skip that one because that's the surprise. There's not a lot in there. This one, though. And that's how you make glitter. The good news is the block is perfectly fine. The crank probably has crank is probably pretty rusted, but that's why we have the other crank. Yeah, that's how you that's how you do it. That's probably gonna close it out for this one. It was a good amount of work. Yeah, so if you like watching the chaos unfold, maybe you should consider subscribing, because I have a feeling there's going to be more. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, like the video if you like seeing destruction like this at other people's expense, and cheap deals on K20s. And if you do like all this, plus maybe some gaming stuff and computer-y, techie stuff or whatever, you should consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for to be notified when I do drop a video. You can also follow my page on Facebook. It's facebook.com/thepghproduction. I think 90% of my content at this point is going to be car related. There might be a couple live streams of games, but I'll keep those to a minimum while I have something to do. It's 93 degrees here in the garage. It's hot. It's really hot. I wish I had a humidity sensor, because I mean I'm basically, it feels like I just got out of the shower. As a matter of fact, it's less humid when I get out of the shower. So I'm going to go ahead and do something with trying to maintain some of this. I'm not worried about dirt at this point, because clearly I got oil and crap all within this thing. It's going to have to be cleaned really good. But yeah, so anyways, until the next one, take it easy. We'll see you later.
I'm a true champion.
Who's there? Doc who? Change your oil.